Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing. If you don't like those things, you have been warned. All right. Because here I come in 3, two, one. Bang! Welcome, everybody. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes. All right. And we have a great show for you today. All right, guys. So we're going to do the IOTA story that I was supposed to do yesterday. But that other story, the Walmart one, destroyed. So IOTA Azimuth upgrade, we're going to talk about that. IOTA's upgrading to this new Azimuth. All right, and then Bakkt. Yes. Bakkt is coming out with a mobile payment app. Look at these motherfuckers. They're just coming out with their what is it, a futures? No, not a futures. Yeah, they're coming out with the futures, on the 22nd next month. And apparently they're coming out with a mobile app too, so here you go. You guys want to spend your you want to go trade little futures, spend those earnings? All right, well, here you go. You're going to have a mobile app to go buy yourself some coffee with your Bitcoin. All right. And then, bang! We finally have an approval. We have an approval. Here comes our liquidity, brothers. Here comes the money. The CFTC approves a Bitcoin futures. Bang! And we are going to talk about that. So, sorry, the show's a little late. My buddy came over with a little weed, the shit called Gorilla Glue. Fuck. So I was like, all right. So around 2 a.m., I thought, all right, I'll have a little nap. You don't think come do this at 3, what I usually do. That shit knocked me out. It's flipping 5 in the morning already. So, all right, that's for the delay. But look, bang, let's begin how we began. Let us delay no longer. Bang. All right. What are we dealing with here? Oh. What? Oh, yes. All right, sorry. All right, guys. Bang! For a second there, I forgot how to use this thing. All right. Oh, Shamari. Bang! Look at this. Oh, you see this? All right, here we go then. So let's look at the price of Bitcoin first. I got to get fueled. Like that Gorilla Glue knocked me the fuck out. Yes. All right. Look at that price of Bitcoin. All right, price of Bitcoin today is 12,536. Man, we went up big time. And last night it was at 11,314. So we went up $1,222, man. Bang, $1,222. Look. All right, let me fucking try to wake the fuck up here. All right. Bang! Let me hype myself up a bit. All right, top 10 of the day, brothers. Whoa. Let's get hyped. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects of the day, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, Tether, and bang! Here's the new number 10, Tron. Look. Moves of the day, brothers. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. And single digits up to single digits down. All right, bang. Let's look. Let's see who lost money today. If you see anything in here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Bang. All right, top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Monero, Dent, Crypto.com, Tezos, VeChain. Oh, VeChain's back on sale. Not really, though. It's at 90. It's at, anyway, whatever. VeChain, Solve, MadeSafe Coin, Theta, Zcoin, Komodo, and Odom. Bang. Let's see who made money today. Oh, here's some healthy gains right here. Yes, indeed. Healthy gains. All right. Top 10 winners of the day, brothers. Qtum, ABBC Coin, Egretia, Mixin, Hypercash, Omisco, Elastos, Thorcoin, Bitcoin, Neo, and Energy. All right, let's look at the total market cap of the day. Total market cap of the day is 362.3. Yesterday, oh, okay, so we went up real nice. Yesterday we were at 335.8. So that's a nice healthy, I don't know, what is that? 28 or something like that? 27 billion up, and we are at in terms of total market or 24-hour volume. What is that? Whoops. Was that 96.4? Oh, yeah, volume. Hold on, is that 96? Damn, 98.4 even. 98.4 billion in total volume today. We blew away yesterday's volume. Yesterday we were at 67.3. So that's 31.1 billion dollar rise in volume today. So healthy rise, healthy market cap. Let's hope we sustain it. You guys know me. I'm not a fan of these $1,000. I'm not a fan of these $1,000 jumps. You know, like the little $400 or $500 jumps. I'm a little more comfortable with. So we'll see if we stay up here above 12 or if we crash down to earth tomorrow. Well, not really down to earth. Where are we going to go to 11? All right. So, bang. Let's talk about IOTA. You know I love me some Tango. Bang. Yes. All right. So, IOTA news. Azimuth offers exciting PoW-free alternative for low-power devices. So, you know how IOTA works? Well, it works in many ways. It has many use cases. But one of their ways is that they're going to do the, they want to Internet of Things, right? All these little devices, right, are going to be on the Tangle. And so the Tangle's cool because the more devices you put on it, the faster the Tangle actually works. I've told you guys this before. The Tangle makes blockchains look like pieces of garbage. It's infinitely scalable, so there's no scalability issues. It has infinite transactions. There's no transaction issues because the little devices on it actually help with the transaction somehow. And like all the and it's quantum proof. And so all these problems that blockchains have, IOTA just it doesn't have any of that crap. 50% attack or 51% attack and all that kind of crap. Yeah, you can't do that shit to IOTA. And so, well, there is something you can do. And so I think they talk about it here in terms of security. So, let me get a sip. Let me wake up, brothers. Fuck. Yes, Tango. Love me some Tango. All right. Let us proceed. So it's a little techie, so I'm just going to read on. So the IOTA Foundation is introducing a spam protection concept that enables nodes to accept incoming transactions from neighboring nodes. This will enable small IoT devices to join the IOTA network and takes us closer to the realization of a machine-to-machine economy. Yeah, that's what the Tangle does. Like these little nodes and these little devices that are going to be on it. Like, for instance, if you have IOTA, like it's good for like a smart city. If you put all these little devices on it, they'll all power the network somehow. Like they help out. All right. And they talk to each other. All right. So according IOTA and the machine-to-machine economy. According to an official blog posted on June 24th, Azimuth was initially known as Network-Bound Proof of Work, NBPOW. We'll provide nodes with active protection without using unnecessary computational power associated with proof of work. Small IoT devices that use Azimuth will easily connect with nearby devices via auto-peering and join the IOTA network without wasting their resources. The blog post explained, the Azimuth nodes can send transactions to nearby neighbors through the air. On receipt, the neighbors make a note of which direction a transaction came from before processing it. If, during the same round, a neighbor receives another transaction from the same direction, it will treat it as spam and ignore it. Spam reduction. As per the announcement, the IOTA Foundation has decided to develop Azimuth to protect innocent users from dishonest ones who send too many spam transactions to a node in an attempt to take it offline. IOTA uses the proof of work to discourage spamming. This system is expensive in terms of time and energy used. While this may work well for servers and laptops that can access the internet, smaller devices on the IoT are constrained for power due to their size, and too much of it gets wasted. Currently, relatively high computational energy costs for proof of work, PoW, used as a spam protection for the network, are necessary before attaching a message to the tangle. The algorithm is necessary for finding the best two tips to be confirmed before using the transactions. However, according to the announcement, when a device uses Azimuth, it needs not do any work. The action of sending a transaction from a given direction is enough. By using this approach, small IoT nodes can save energy, extend battery life, and avoid doing those troublesome push-ups. Yeah, like all these little nodes are going to be on it, like like a smart city, right? So it'll be in garbage cans, it'll be in this and that and that and that. And the little devices kind of help the network. They'll actually send data and whatnot. As the number and complexity of devices using the internet increases, they open a possibility of a future where machines will not only communicate with each other over the internet, but also possibilities of trades. The upcoming machine economy has potential for a security system where systems will be able to autonomously buy cloud computation capacity or storage space and electric cars that could charge automatically. That's where IOTA, a new cryptocurrency that focused on M2M transactions, come in. Bang! All right, so yes, that's the new upgrade for IOTA. It's going to help the all the little devices aren't going to have to use too much of their own power. I guess what they're saying is that'll extend the life of the device. Someone's not going to have to come by and replace the battery in it and whatnot, and then it'll help. It'll be all good. So look. Oh yeah, and the devices will be able to connect automatically. So, bang, there we go for Internet of Things IOTA. Bang, now Bakkt. Yes. We're all waiting for Bakkt. We're all waiting next month. July 22nd, they start testing their futures contracts. Yes. Oh, we're going to talk about a futures contract right now that just got approved. Look, but they're going to launch Bakkt to launch a mobile payment app soon after the Bitcoin futures release. So they're not playing games. They're just going to get right into this and jump in with a mobile app too. Now look, you guys know I don't like people spending money on, don't waste your Bitcoin on coffee, but look, since last year, the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, floated a payment and trading system known as Bakkt. The ICE also owns the New York Stock Exchange, with Bakkt as a subsidiary. The Bakkt platform, The Bakkt platform is a properly regulated space that serves individuals as well as institutions by offering them services that can help support and secure digital assets and also trade them. Bakkt has been working on its Bitcoin futures trading, and recent information has it that the firm is also doing a lot more. Yes. Mobile platform, Bakkt Pay. So the latest news on the Bakkt front is that the firm is getting closer to releasing a new product called Bakkt Pay. News of the possibility of a mobile platform started making the rounds when some month ago on its official website, Bakkt posted a few vacancies in the career section. The one that stood out the most was the position of a mobile app developer, and it's now being said that as soon as Bakkt Bitcoin futures trading is launched, the mobile application will also publicly see the light of day. Earlier this month, a former Google consultant was hired by the startup to help with designing the new payment platform. Chris Peterson, a UX consultant, UX means user experience, a user experience consultant with more than 20 years experience, will also be working with Bakkt to also help with the firm's outlook as more than just a futures trader. At the moment, There is a lot of information about the new application. However, there's a part of the official Bakkt website that suggests that the firm's interest in encouraging merchants to use digital assets. They want to encourage merchants. So, whether between consumers and merchants or peers, the ability to conduct transaction in digital assets holds promise as these new global currencies evolve beyond a store of value or speculative assets and as distributed ledger technology scales. Bakkt is working with leading merchants who recognize the potential of digital assets. And so, blah, 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 they're working with Starbucks, so you can go buy your coffee. Anyway. So, reports suggest that Bakkt Bitcoin futures contract will soon be released for initial testing. The first group of testers will begin on the 22nd of July, after a long period of fine-tuning in the background. It's also suspected that the firm will record substantial investment when it launches from both individual and institutional investors. That's what we need. Of course, institutions are going to come. ICE runs the New York Stock Exchange. These big boys are going to feel real comfortable with ICE. Bakkt is also working with BNY Mellon, a global investment company, to ensure proper custody of the Bitcoin contracts. The enthusiastic chief operating officer, COO of BNY, Adam White, said, Bakkt may be a form of moonshot, but it's founded in an earthbound endeavor to support the future of finance and the adoption of blockchain technology. In its own way, Bakkt's efforts to help institutions launch safely into this market is the right stuff for the future. Yes, and then what we got? Bitcoin prices. All right, and that's that. So, bye. Bakkt is also going to have a mobile app, so it doesn't really say what it's going to do. But obviously, it looks like you're going to be able to buy stuff with it, and I'm assuming manipulate your Bakkt account through it, right? So, bye. There we go. We got some Bakkt mobile app. Bye. Now, here we go. CFTC approval. We have finally an approval here in America. Bumbaclot. So, LedgerX approved to offer regulated Bitcoin derivatives to retail investors. Finally. Look, so the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, announced Tuesday. Oh, let me get fueled. Yes, this is what we've been waiting for. Actually, and I even have another one for you. We'll do that one tomorrow. What's that other one I got? Hold on, let me look. Whoops, sorry. Yes. What's that other one? Oh, yes. Yes, in Europe. Another ETF launch, so we'll talk about that one tomorrow. I was going to do it today, but I promised the IOTA story, so. Look, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, announced Tuesday that it has approved the application of LedgerX as a designated contract market, DCM, effective Monday. The New York-based subsidiary of Ledger Holdings, Inc. subsequently announced 5 years and 3 licenses from the new U.S. federal government later, we are officially licensed to offer our physically settled BTC spot and derivatives trading to all investors. All right. Physically settled takes Bitcoin out of the market, creates scarcity. DCMs are most like traditional futures exchanges, which may allow access to their facilities by all types of traders, including retail customers. The CFTC explained, adding that these platforms may list for trading futures or option contracts based on an underlying commodity, index, or instrument. That's what a derivative is. It derives its value from the underlying asset. I'm a derivatives trader. I trade Forex, right? But I don't actually own, yen or British pounds or Russian rubles when I trade them. I trade what's called a derivatives contract. And that contract gets its value from the prices of the underlying assets. All right. Following Monday's approval, LedgerX CEO Paul Chow confirmed that his platform is now approved to offer Bitcoin spot and derivatives contracts, including futures and options, to retail clients of any size. The CEO previously revealed that his company quietly applied for this license last November. Founded, quietly, indeed. I didn't hear about this one. Founded in 2000. All right, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. All right. So, but Bitcoin was not designed for, so this is what the guy says. Bitcoin was not designed for just institutions, it's designed for people. Yet an open secret is that the vast majority of Bitcoin trading happens over the counter in the OTC markets, of which most people are unaware of or can't access in any particular way. Most people don't even know there's a thing called OTC. He added that transparency in the OTC markets is dim, to say the least. As for LedgerX's future plans, the CEO revealed that additional crypto-specific derivatives will be launched this year. All products for retail investors will be listed on LedgerX Omni. So this thing's going to be called Omni, the company's new platform. Oh, it says it right here. For both institutional and retail customers, which was first unveiled on April 15th. So a 10,000 wire or 1 Bitcoin is required to open an Omni account. You got to have 10 Gs. It's not really budget investing. Chow explained that any customer in the U.S. or Singapore can use the new... Oh, Singapore. Was that on our champion nation? No. Anyway, but Singapore's all down with it, so great. All right. Look. Yes, bring those whales from Singapore. Chow explained that any customers in the U.S. or Singapore can use the new platform with no net worth requirements. Oh, no net worth requirements. So you don't have to be an accredited investor, right? You have to be able to prove that you own enough money, but these guys are saying anyone can. So everything is physically settled, not cash settled, which means you can both deposit and withdraw Bitcoin to the account in addition to your USD. Oh, and here it is. I guess this is the logo here. Nice and simple. Okay. Further, no fees will be charged for any trades. And the guy says, this is not a limited time promotion. It's a forever kind of thing. No transaction fees. Forever. Nice. The CEO confirmed. Drawing from his own experience, the former Goldman Sachs trader explained the reason behind his platform's no-fee policy. In essence, market makers had the power over stock exchanges, so they negotiated getting additional money when a trader was done. The customer taking not only paid the price, but paid more on top of that, which distorts the actual effective price that they saw on the screen. For Omni, market makers will pay all the exchanges fees, as they're the most capable ones to price them in their models in real time, Chow said. Reiterating that the price you see on the screen is the total price you pay. He further clarified. Oh, so they're going to build in the price. All right, so they're going to charge you money. It's just you're not going to see it later. You're not going to get charged later. It'll be right in the price, baked into the price. I think that's what he's trying to say. Anyways, Omni will share the same order book as our current institutional offerings, so there will be plenty of liquidity from day one. Buy liquidity. All right, so we have a brand new bang approved. Yes, that's what the thing is. Approved, regulated derivatives, futures coming up nicely. And actually, I read this other article, and the girl, one of the, I don't know who she is, if she's the, I don't know what her role is in the company here, LedgerX, but she said they want to be the first ones out, and she knows that Bakkt is coming out next month. So it sounds like this thing's gonna be online forthwith, real quick. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how it helps us. It will bring us liquidity. Look, let's get on to shoutouts. Bang. All right, nice quick show tonight. Not too much talky from Shamari. All right, not too much Shamari yap. All right. Let's do shoutouts. Bob, bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Yes. Hurricane Master. Bang. Yes. Blockchain Stallion. See you, sweetie. Bang. Love you, girl. Yes. Brendan C. Oh, there she is. All right. She put her face on the thing. Undercover crypto enthusiast. You looked like an undercover cop that last picture. Brendan C. See you, lady. Bang. Yes. Edwin. Bang. See you, brother. Van Breden. Look. Van Breden. Michelle. Mama, leave me. Everything is okay. Okay, my son. Yeah, it's just a quick Van Breden mama. Van Breden. Yes, love you, brother. Bang. 007. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Got you. Haha. Love you, brother. Bang. DP Entertainment. Love you, brother. Bang. Biniam. Love you, brother. Bang! What's BDM talking about? Oh, I was just about to do this, actually. I was about to do this story, but then I said I was going to do that IOTA one from yesterday, so I did it. We're going to do this one tomorrow. There's a new ETF in Europe coming, but we're going to talk about that tomorrow. Oh, what's this guy talking about? He's got Asian writing, but look, brother. Brother from Asia, happy to see you've come a long way. Bang! Love you, brother. Kong, look. Oh, what's he got now? Oh, he's got some Kong paraphernalia or something, it looks like. Yeah, he's got like a Kong shirt. Yeah, look with the gold chain. Look, Kong. Bang! See you, brother. He's always got some new goods. All right, what else we got? Moon landing. Look. Bang! See you, brother. Ryan, bang! See you, brother. Oh, what's this blue one here? Gaines Associates, bang! See you, brother. Poppy Wood, bang! See you, brother. Oh, he changed his picture. What does he got now? Let's see. He had the fucking Zuckerberg dominatrix thing. What does it say? Independence Day anniversary. Oh, yeah, that new Tron thing's coming. Independence Day thing. Bang! We'll be talking about that when that day comes. Bang! Radster, see you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang! Zoe Ziv, bang! Master Barber Magazine, bang! Louis News, Nieves, see you, brother, bang! All right. Oh, that's all the suspects right there in one row. Look. Oh, what is this? Oh, what Bitcoin said. What is it? Look. Yes. All right. That's Harden. Fear the beard. All right, let's get you back to your wives and lives. All right, we have a quick show tonight. This is just a little quickie. Yes. Bye, here I am. All right, so look, brothers, we had a great show. Yes. So, IOTA Azimuth. All right, it's doing that upgrade stuff. It's going to be great. And it's going to help the little nodes, all those little IoT devices, talk better and save energy. Yes. I guess I can see how that could be a thing, right? If you got a smart city and all these little devices are talking out, you want the batteries to last a long time. You don't want guys having to run around and changing the batteries all the time and all that. So look, bang, Azimuth, good stuff. Bakkt mobile payment app. Well, it doesn't say much, but it does say, well, it's a mobile payment app. So, I mean, what's there to really say about it? You're going to be able to buy stuff with it, right? So that's going to be that. And then bang, on approval, CFTC approves the Bitcoin futures. Finally. All right. So we are now on our way. Like I said, that wasn't in this article, but the lady, when I read this article, there's a lady, she works for the company, and she said that they want to be the first out. And so Bakkt is coming out next month with their thing. So that means this must be coming out within a month. So great. We're going to have Bakkt liquidity. We're going to have these guys' liquidity. I'm going to read about another one tomorrow about more liquidity. So, but yes, here comes our money. Solidly and nicely. All right, brothers, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look. So subscribe below, press the bell, and you'll get automatic notifications when I do this show. My name is Shamar Clark. Love talking money, love talking crypto. Look, it's the favorite time of my day. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night, great day. My name is Shamar Clark. Bang. I'm always on duty. Look. Over and out.